Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a simple yet delicious recipe for making Toor Dal Chutney. Now this is a great chutney that you can enjoy for tiffins as well as for rice. So let's get started and check it out. I have all the necessary ingredients needed for this recipe. Heat a pan, add about 1 cup of Toor Dal and dry roast it on low flame. Stir constantly until the dal turns to a lovely golden brown color. Now this roasting process enhances the flavor and texture of the chutney. So it's important to keep the flame on low and ensure that the Toor Dal is roasted evenly. This will provide a wonderful taste to the chutney. Once the dal is roasted perfectly, add 8 red chillies, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 5 cloves of garlic and a small piece of tamarind and roast them. Roast them for a few minutes until the spices release their wonderful aroma. The tangy flavors of the tamarind make the dish more tasty. So once all the ingredients are roasted, transfer them to a plate and cool it completely. Once the lentils are cooled down completely, transfer them to a mixer jar. Add a teaspoon of rock salt and grind everything together. First grind the chutney without adding any water. Then add water as required and grind it all together. Now if you prefer spicier chutney, you can add a couple more red chillies to suit your taste. Don't grind the chutney to a very smooth consistency because you want to maintain a slightly coarse consistency. The texture should just be right, neither too smooth or too chunky, but a nice balance that adds a great bite to the dish. Transfer the ground mixture to a bowl and keep it aside. Now let's temper a few ingredients. In a small pan, heat a teaspoon of oil. Add some Urad Dal, a few mustard seeds, add some cumin seeds. Once they are roasted, turn off the stove and add 2 red chillies cut and about 4 to 5 slightly pounded garlic with skin. Also add Asafoetida powder or Hing and a few fresh curry leaves. Roast until everything releases a pleasant aroma, then pour this tempering over the chutney. This step adds an extra layer of flavor that elevates the entire dish. Finally, give everything a good mix and serve the chutney with some nice hot steamed rice. The combination of roasted lentils, spices and tamarind creates a unique taste that's sure to impress. I'll give you a couple of links to the other chutney recipes. Do check them out. So I really enjoyed that chutney, and next time, instead of making the usual dal tadka with Toor Dal, try making this chutney and enjoy it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.